Welcome back to another episode of the Toni Show, you guys. So I'm really excited. Today I'm doing something different that you guys have maybe already seen, but we are doing pineapple boats, and I'm going to stuff this pineapple with some chicken and steak, so stay tuned. So right here, what you're going to see me do is cut around the perimeter of the pineapple, and then I'm going to cut horizontally, and then I'm going to cut vertically just to make sure that the pineapple is in cubes, so that way when I scoop it out, it'll be easier to transfer into a bowl. And then with that spoon, I'm just going to start scooping out these chunks and putting them in the bowl, so that way I can go ahead and put it in the rice to flavor it for later. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start seasoning my meat. My boyfriend, he requested curry. So the chicken that I'm going to be putting inside of the pineapple is actually going to be curry chicken. And it's going to be really delicious, you guys. You know, I always say season with what makes you feel good, but as you guys can see, onion and garlic are staples, and adobo seasoning are staples in my seasoning. So I make sure that, you know, I keep it on deck because I love it. I'm also going to throw in some chili and lime seasoning on that steak just to give it some zesty flavor. And you guys, this really hit the spot. And yes, you guys, I like my steak well done. I know everyone is having this big argument like, oh, if you eat steak all the way done, you might as well eat it tired. Be quiet. It's my steak. Thank you. Next, I'm just going to saute some onions and peppers that I already had pre-cut just to give this rice some more flavor. Y'all know I love my peppers and my onions.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.